Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model S versus Ferrari. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, from groundbreaking electric power to classic combustion engines. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle aligns best with your driving preferences and lifestyle. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge technology or raw, visceral performance, we'll cover the key differences to guide your decision. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model S Plaid delivers astonishing acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Ferraris, while incredibly fast, often take around 3 seconds for the same sprint. While Ferraris might boast higher top speeds on a track, the Tesla's electric powertrain provides immediate, exhilarating torque for a different kind of thrill. For practicality, the Tesla Model S shines with seating for 5 adults and ample cargo space, making it suitable for daily use. Most Ferraris are designed as two-seater sports cars, prioritizing driving dynamics over passenger capacity. Tesla also integrates advanced driver assistance systems and a large central screen, while Ferrari focuses on a more traditional, driver-centric cockpit with luxurious materials. Considering cost, a Tesla Model S typically starts around $75,000, offering significant value. Many Ferrari models, however, begin at over $250,000, placing them in a different luxury segment. Tesla owners also benefit from lower fuel costs due to electricity, whereas Ferrari maintenance and fuel expenses can be substantially higher over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.